The accumulation of nutrients is a major problem for water bodies. Lakes with a low water circulation, estuaries of large rivers, and bays in the ocean are the waters that are affected most. This eutrophication leads to a reduction in the content of oxygen and thus to an increase in oxygen-free gases. The consequences are a long-lasting deterioration in water quality. Living organisms die. The sensor system Fr.O.S.H.16 was therefore developed as a simple solution to determine gas concentrations in water bodies. It is suitable for measurements in the terrain. With Fr.O.S.H.16, gas concentrations in the water can be measured both from mobile platforms such as multicopters or boats, as well as from buoys. The incorporation of several gas sensors into one common measuring chamber is a worldwide novelty. This ensures high flexibility. The sensors for oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, and hydrogen sulfide can be supplemented by additional sensors. Rapid data availability and real-time evaluation make measurements possible at different depths and at any time resolution. These can be repeated immediately. The only knowledge required is the water temperature and the exact time of day. The surveys can be carried out with little effort in terms of human resources and time. They are also largely independent of the weather. Terrains that are difficult to access are not a problem. The housing is made of plastic. Therefore, an immersion is possible to the desired depth in all water bodies. Operating the device is very simple. To start the software, simply connect the communication module to a PC, tablet, or smartphone and start the software. This way, one can immediately read and save the data. The data can then be downloaded and visualized on the PC. A remote transmission is possible on any computer. The water sample is pumped through a membrane system for 30 seconds. There, the dissolved gas mixture is then separated by a vacuum. The concentration is then determined. The measuring chamber is emptied after each measuring operation. Maintenance of Fr.O.S.H.16 does not require much effort. Fr.O.S.H.16 is versatile and can be customized to your exact requirements. For example, with the AEROEUTRO technology in combination with a multicopter, camera system and other components which can determine the water chemistry. In doing so, it is possible to recognize eutrophication symptoms at an early stage. With the Fr.O.S.H.16 multigas sensor and the AEROEUTRO technology, you will not only save money but also time. Fr.O.S.H.16 helps to identify negative changes in the water at an early stage, and therefore helps to protect our environment.